Let's do the base for this makeup look. I've already primed and prepped my skin. I want to highlight my skin with white concealer before I go in with my foundation, just to brighten up my face. This is the concealer that I use. It's the Pro Conceal. Dots under each eye. Damp beauty blender to smooth out everything before I add my foundation. Using this technique when I do bright and colorful makeup looks because it makes everything look so beautiful and smooth, and it just fits well with the whole face. I have my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 324, and I'm going to place that on my brush and then dab it into my skin. I'm going to make sure I put it everywhere because this is a very full coverage foundation. I don't know how to blend my makeup with just a brush. I need the beauty blender to press in that foundation and make it as smooth as possible. And a bit on my jawline. It's time for our second layer of concealer. This is the smudge concealer that I use, the one that's closer to my skin tone, so that the highlight underneath is not too harsh, but at the same time it blends smoothly with my foundation. Blending it out on my forehead, and when I blend it on my forehead I bring it out just a little so that it's not too focused in the center. Translucent powder from Yardley to set my face. Mostly in the areas where I added concealer because I don't want those areas to crease. I love the way this powder smells. I have a clean brush just to swipe off a bit of that powder, the excess powder on my face, before I add in my powder bronzer. To add my bronzer where we would usually contour, so that's on my jawline. Ooh. And a bit on my cheekbone, but not too much, just a bit on my cheekbone, my forehead, a bit of bronzer on the nose. For blush, I'm going to use an orange eyeshadow for that. So because this palette is very pigmented, I'm going to just dab a little bit of the orange and put it on the high points of my cheek and bringing it down under my eyes. I put on my lashes and did my lips off camera, and this is the final look.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and leave purple hearts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.